Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode. Bbai stock has been making some waves recently, and I'm excited to explore its potential with you. The stock has shown some promising trends, but as we all know, the market can be unpredictable. Let's take a closer look at what's been happening with Bbai and what it might mean for its future. Bbai stock has faced some challenges in recent times, one of the main ones being market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market, and Bbai hasn't been immune to that. The company has also been dealing with some industry-specific issues, which have impacted its stock price. Another factor that's worth mentioning is the increased competition in the industry, which has put pressure on Bai's market share. These challenges have definitely had an impact on the stock's performance. The industry Bbai operates in is highly competitive, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. There have been some significant advancements in the field, and Bbai has been working hard to keep up. The company has made some significant investments in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. Analysts have been keeping a close eye on Bbai, and some of them have made some interesting predictions about its future. One thing that's got people excited is the potential for Bbai to capitalize on emerging trends. The company has been making some strategic moves to position itself for success, and some analysts think this could be a game changer. A recent announcement from Bbai has got people talking, and it could be just what's needed to send the stock soaring. If Bbai can execute on its plans, we might just see the stock explode in the near future. So, what's the takeaway? Bbai stock has faced some challenges, but there are reasons to be optimistic about its future. The company's been working hard to stay ahead of the curve, and some analyst predictions are looking promising. What do you think about Bbai stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more stock analysis, be sure to check out my other video where I dive into another exciting stock that's got everyone talking.